Have you ever read a story, understood it perfectly, but still lost marks in your English exam? The problem may not be what you know, it may be how you write your answers. Today, I'll show you a simple method to write better story answers and impress your examiner. Before writing, read the question carefully. Ask yourself, what exactly is being asked? Is it about a character, a theme, an event, or a lesson from the story? Many students lose marks because they write everything they know instead of answering the specific question. Next, use the PEE method. P stands for point. Start by making your main idea clear. E stands for evidence. Support your point with an example from the story. The final E stands for explanation. Explain what your example shows and why it is important. For example, Bobby is a caring character. She helps others whenever they are in need. This shows her kindness and sense of responsibility. Another important tip is to organize your answer. Begin with a short introduction. Write each main idea in a separate paragraph. Use linking words such as firstly, moreover, however, and finally. This makes your answer easier to read and helps the examiner follow your ideas. One common mistake is retelling the entire story. Remember, examiners want analysis, not just a summary. Focus on explaining why events happen, what they reveal about characters, and how they connect to the theme of the story. Always make sure your answer directly addresses the question. So remember the formula: point, evidence, and explanation. Stay organized, answer the question directly, and support your ideas with examples from the story. Use these tips in your next English exam, and you'll be on your way to writing stronger story answers and earning better marks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English tips and literature lessons.